Now, since that one's thicker, I messed it up because I don't have my glasses on. I can go in and make the other side a little thicker to match the left brow. A little crazy, but they'll work. Then what I can do is I can take my angle brush and I can kind of smear under there where I've got a little bit too much. That way it's not so it's not so much up under there. And another thing I can do is I can take that little napkin and kind of reshape it that way too. And if I take too much off, I just have to add more back. Now, I go through a lot with my eyebrows because years ago I had plucked and shaved them so much that I just couldn't deal with trying to redo that every day. So when I get my laser hair treatments, I get the brows treated also because I'm gonna draw them in anyway. So that's why it takes me so long to get them perfect. But for the sake of this video, you get the idea. And so now it's time for lips. I'm going to use my waterproof eyeliner. Actually, I'm going to dab my lips because I'm sure I got some sunscreen on them. And then take my waterproof eyeliner. All right, glasses for this part. And sometimes I'll use the angle that's on there, and other times I'll use this pointed edge to kind of even out the eyeliner as I use it. So I will do that. A little sunscreen up there. And there's my lip liner. Waterproof. And then fill it in with my Old Faithful Almost Out matte lipstick. The shine is from the lip gloss. It's empty, but I'm using the lip gloss wand to get down in there and get the rest of that lipstick out. Because I always say my motto is, I do not throw away Mary Kay. So I'll just fill that in up to the lip liner. And I'll go back in, perfect my brows a little bit more, and that is my bare minimum makeup look.